Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Collar Crypto. We're going to take a quick look at the crypto markets. All right, if we take a quick look at the magic internet money, we're on coin market cap. Total market cap of crypto right now, $1,749 billion. Bitcoin dominance, 42.5%. Ethereum dominance, 17.8%. And Ethereum gas fees right now, 20 GUI. That's real low. Market cap for the last 24 hours is down 0.11%. Bitcoin price, $39,190, slightly up on the last 24 hours, and is down 0.75% on the week. Ethereum price, $2,592. It's up 0.2% on the day, and is down 2.6% on the week. All top 10 tokens for the day look like they're even, except XRP is down 4%, and Terra Luna is down 3.7%. Looks like the week is red mostly. Shiba Inu token price is 402236. It's down 1.28% on the day and down 8.7% on the week. Algorand coin is number 29. It is 71.43 cents. It's up 0.5% on the day and it's down 7.5% on the week. If we look at Saitama token price, it's at 701269. It is down 3.6% on the day. Last but not least is Archangel token. Its current price is 901542. It is down 3.8% on the day. If we zoom in on the chart for Archangel, we see that there's this downward trend line here and an upward trend line down here at the bottom that's coming up, and they are engaging, or they're converging, I guess is the word, right? Man, if it continues on that trend, we're looking at March 14th, 8 o'clock in the morning, they will converge. So it might bounce, the price might bounce around and slowly downward until it meets this upward trending line and break out above that. Or it might just break out above that right now or tomorrow and go to this point of resistance, which is another less steep downward trending line. And those two converge way over here, which is March 24th. So that'll be another 12 days away. But who knows what will really happen. You see the downward trend here, you see a steeper downward trend here, you see an upward trend here, and it's 3 lines of convergence pretty much. So tomorrow, the next day, it might cross this downward trending resistance line is the word I'm looking for, resistance, and I'd expect it to bounce around here, and I'd really like it to bounce off the support and continue upward. But there's no telling. When the market turns around and Bitcoin and Ethereum start climbing again, I think we could see all altcoins return to the all-time highs, which would be positive. Maybe not all of them, but a lot of them, like Archangel. Take a quick look at the gas prices for today is up to $4.12. It's up 13 cents on the day, so that's up over 3% in one day for gas for your car. Dang. Total wallet holder count for Archangel is up 1 on the day. Ethereum's up 1, Binance Smart Chain is up 1, and Phantom blockchain is down 1, bringing the total wallet holder count for Archangel token to 4,986. Token price 901542. Day change is down 3.2%. Weekly change for Archangel token price is down 1.4%. Total market cap is 7,900,000, let's just say 8 million. Fully diluted market cap, 15.4 million. Daily volume for Archangel on Ethereum is $8,904. And the daily burn, amount of tokens sent to the burn wallet in the last 24 hours is 1 trillion, just over 1 trillion. 7-day average burn, 2.8 trillion. So if we look at this wallet that started with 1 trillion tokens, half of them are in the staking pool and the other half are in the wallet receiving reflections. Total reflections for this wallet in the last 24 hours, 10.5 million. And the increase in the staking pool rewards in the last 24 hours is 96 million. So the total amount of reflections and rewards for this wallet is 7,286,000,000 tokens. Which is worth $1.12. Not a lot of money at all. Not even worth talking about, honestly. But the fact is, you can buy 1 trillion Archangel tokens right now for $155, which is honestly a really good price. Another reason I'm doing this is originally we sent 500 billion tokens to the staking pool to get rewards. The amount of rewards that we received in 48 days is 1% of that. We've received 1% of our staked tokens in rewards in 48 days. So we've received 5 billion tokens already. So that's pretty cool. That's good to know, right? Eventually, the price is going to go up or not, or it'll go away. It'll disappear, right? Like magic internet money. But if it goes up, if it goes back to where it was a few months ago, this will be worth $1,500 total, and these reflections right here will be worth $10. $10 isn't groundbreaking, but if Archangel Token price gets the Saitama price, which is real low right now, that's not outside the realm of possibility at all. These reflections here and rewards would be worth $112. That's not bad for 48 days of staking. Only 1 trillion tokens at all. So we'll see what the future brings. All right, we're going to take a quick look at the news. Make sure my microphone's working because it wasn't earlier, which is frustrating. Russians are flooding their ventures to Dubai using crypto. So we're going to read more on this. Russians are headed toward crypto platforms in the UAE, the United Arab Emirates, in an attempt to save their fortunes, requesting crypto firms to liquidate billions of dollars as per Reuters. Similarly, some of them want to buy real estate in UAE, while others desire to convert their assets into fiat money and hide it. An exchange confirmed that so they don't tell you what exchange, okay? An exchange confirmed that they have received too many requests from Swiss brokers in the past 10 days asking to liquidate bitcoins worth billions of dollars as they are worried Switzerland's authorities might freeze the funds. The firm said all the requests were for $2 billion or more. Does that mean each of the requests were for $2 billion or more? I think it sounds that way. Listen to this. The executive of the platform said they usually receive one inquiry a month for large transactions. And he added, quote, "We've had like 5 or 6 in the past 2 weeks. None of them have come off yet. They're sort of fallen off in the last few minutes, which isn't rare, but we've never had this much interest." The executive also mentions, "We had one guy, I don't know who he is, but he came through a broker." And they're like, "We want to sell 125,000 Bitcoin." And I'm like, that's $6 billion, guys. And they're like, "Yeah, we're going to send it to a company in Australia." Wow. That's a crap ton of money. Whoa. On the other side, the supervisor in Switzerland's market has refused to pass comment on crypto transaction volume. Interesting. Digital assets are subject to the same sanctions as imposed by the traditional holdings of Russian users and individuals, so funds of sanctioned person must be frozen in Switzerland, stated the country's Secretariat of Economic Affairs, SECO, in an email. Interesting. Here's another part of the same article. Dubai becomes safe haven for Russians. Quote, We've been seeing lots of Russians and Belarusians come to the Dubai bringing whatever they can, even crypto. A financial source in UAE addressed that many people have been buying properties in Dubai using cryptocurrencies and getting their money out of jurisdictions safely to the Gulf state. Dubai, a business hub for Gulf countries, is a growing crypto market, and it has refused to take sides between Moscow and Western allies. This has opened a way of Russians to save their ventures there. Yeah, I'd be going there too, man, straight up. So, man, you can ban crypto all you want, but there's going to be places that are going to let you sell your crypto. That's not even black market, dude. They're just going to UAE. They're not even going on the freaking dark web. So, ban crypto. Sanction crypto. Good luck. That was a long one. Let's try another one. Let's keep it a little bit short. Okay. Jack Dorsey's Block Bitcoin wallet project to use fingerprint technology for security. So that's cool. Jack Dorsey's upcoming Bitcoin wallet product will be outfitted with fingerprint sensors devices for security, according to the updates. Dorsey's company Block, formerly known as Square, first announced plans to develop the wallet last summer. Yeah, that's worth reading that article if you have time. It's just real quick. That would be good. You don't need a seed phrase and this, that, and the other thing and have passwords. You just use your fingerprint. And it's probably like a high-tech fingerprint, not like you could take somebody's fingerprint off of a piece of glass and put it on there. You know what I mean? So here's another one real quick. Stripe brings back crypto support after 4 years. It says crypto is going mainstream. Yeah, you think? This is from Bitcoin.com. Payment giant Stripe has brought back crypto support after it stopped processing Bitcoin payments 4 years ago. The company now says our optimism for the future of crypto was not unfounded. All right, crypto's going mainstream. All right, here's one we'll go over it real quick. How crypto could become a dominant source to store and move value by 2030. This is from Bitcoinist. Former Goldman Sachs fund manager Raoul Pal updated an important chart comparing crypto adoption to that of the internet. He shared it via his Twitter account, which you guys should check out. Honestly, if you're on Twitter, go to Raoul Pal's page and also Real Vision Crypto. Follow that. It's got a lot of good information on there. The chart attempts to represent the pace at which the technology is reaching a determined number of users over time. Let's just look at that chart real quick. All right, here's the chart. You guys should go look at this, get a closer look. Crypto users versus internet users yearly growth. Year one starts at when the users are greater than 5 million. Okay, for the internet, that was in 1992. For crypto users, that was 2016. It says million, so maybe 1 million. Up here it says 5 million. Either way, it's probably 5 looking at the chart, because here's 10, and this is an exponential chart, right? It goes from 10, 100,000, 10,000. But if we go to where we are now, or the end of the year, last year, or the beginning of this year, crypto had 295 million users. And at the same point in time, the internet had 119 million users. But if we continue, okay, crypto has gone 137% yearly growth from the time it had 5 million users to now. The internet at the same amount of time grew 70% yearly growth. Okay, so it's almost double. It's almost double. So from this same point in time for the internet to, which was 6 years, to 10 years, we're talking the first 10 years of the internet, from 92 to 2002. And now we're going crypto from 2016 to 2026. And we're already 6 years in. And if we go at the same rate as the internet, we are going to go from 300 million users of crypto currently to 1.2 billion users of crypto by the start of 2026. Dude, that's 4 years away. That's nuts. That's exponential. That's like 5 times, right? Yeah, that's almost 5x growth in 4 years. That's pretty good growth. You ain't getting that on Coca-Cola stock. So anyway, oh man, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is denying applications to establish 2 Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, based on the spot market. According to documents from the SEC, the regulator is rejecting New York Stock Exchange Archa bid to change a rule to list and trade shares on the NYDIG somewhere else. That's too bad. It's only a matter of time before it shows up. They got it in Canada and a bunch of other countries, exchange-traded funds that are spot on Bitcoin. Oh man, we talked about this yesterday, but this is the result of what happened, okay? CryptoPunks NFT sales surged 1,200% after Bored Ape creator acquires intellectual property. It's Yuga Labs. Yuga Labs bought CryptoPunks, and it was reported yesterday, and CryptoPunks NFT sales surged 1,200%. But that doesn't mean the price surged 1,200%, the sales surged. All right, that makes sense. I was going to say, damn, dude, that's ridiculous. All right, that's pretty much it for the news.
Well, a Bitcoin mining community says they have the solution to maintaining the perfect balance the power grid needs to run smoothly. The cryptocurrency community feels that the way to fix the problem of equalizing the supply and demand aspect of the power grid is to add another electricity consumer to the mix. That, of course, would be Bitcoin miners, who would use as much power as they are given and be able to shut down within a few seconds, a concept that Texas Senator Ted Cruz agrees with, saying that using Bitcoin will strengthen the energy infrastructure of Texas. At the Texas Blockchain Summit held in October, Senator Cruz highlighted that flexibility of Bitcoin miners, saying that the ability to turn on or off instantaneously would be beneficial during times when energy needs to be shifted back to the grid to meet demand, say when there is a power shortage or power crisis, just like the freeze back in February.
That was from KTSM 9, Texas. December 5th, 2021. It's good to see an alternative point of view with some logic behind it about how proof of work cryptos aren't really going to contribute to global warming. They're actually going to help stabilize the electric grid. I don't know, worth looking into. All right, here's one last one. Bitcoin ATMs forced to shut down in the UK. The UK's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, yesterday declared that ATMs offering crypto asset exchange services in the UK must be registered with them and comply with UK money laundering regulations. Wow. Bitcoin ATM Radar.com shows 70 machines still active at the time of the writing yesterday. Man, that's nuts. Oh, ban the Bitcoin ATMs. Money laundering. Man, they're buying drugs and weapons with it. Criminals, ban it. All right. Oh, I'm sorry. One more thing. I've seen this one many times in the last 2 days. Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak, quote, "I think Bitcoin is going to $100,000," end of quote. whatever. I don't know. There was an interview I watched. It wasn't super, didn't make my mind explode. Today's Saturday, the 12th of March. There was the Archa Trivia Challenge. It was a pretty good time on Archa's Telegram channel. Worth checking out if they do it again. Yeah, it was a good time. There's a bunch of people in there. Man, some serious NFTs. If you go look on Rarible for a bunch of the other NFTs they have on there, man, they look pretty sharp. Nothing wrong with that. That's it for the news for March 12th. Thanks for tuning in to Blue Collar Crypto. Truly appreciate it. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys next time, all right?
Good day, sir.